The Assets feature is now live in Safety Culture. From vehicles and machinery to property and equipment, Assets helps improve your asset management and operations. You can create a digital register for all of your business assets and perform scheduled or one-off asset inspections. You can also set up recurring or follow-up tasks. The Assets feature is simple and convenient to use. You can upload a bulk CSV document of all of your assets, or you can add your assets one at a time. Once your assets are uploaded, you can view your assets in a table, in a gallery view, or via a map of their locations if that's enabled. You can also download a CSV copy of your asset register at any time. When you add an asset into the system, you'll be able to add important details relative to the asset. Things like the brand, the model, purchase date, purchase price, registration number, serial number, VIN number, and any applicable warranty dates. You will also be able to upload images. These can be good for insurance and identification purposes, as well as identifying oils, coolants, and other service items that are pertinent to this item or asset. You can attach documents to an asset. Typical documents that can be attached are things like owners or operators manuals or information for servicing or operations. New images and documents can be added via drag and drop from your desktop or by browsing file locations on your device. Once added to the asset, images and documents become available to other users on your account who have access to these assets. They can view all of the details, the images, and the documents, as well as any upcoming inspections or open inspections, and the history of inspections for this asset. You have the option of scheduling inspections for this asset. You can print a QR code and attach it to this asset for quick reference to related inspection templates. You can also now use assets in follow-up actions when assigning tasks to people. Mobile users can access assets quickly and efficiently from their mobile devices. They can add information about an asset, look up activity, see details, and access media. They can also start inspections or create an action